Lake Mountain. I had fun. I had a lot of fun. To be honest, filming is a lot more than I thought. You gotta concentrate. But it's good. It's a lot of fun. I hope you guys got something out of it as much as we did. We've enjoyed sharing the journey with you. Yeah.
We still have chains on, so we're going to go nice and slow down the mountain.
Nice. Do what you do, buddy. Buddy!
Look how this way the guy's flying.
Yeah. Where does he think he's going? To the snow? Excited. Look, there's heaps of families. It's a really great family trip out. I would suggest coming in early like we did, because this afternoon it is absolutely chockers, isn't it?
I wouldn't say absolutely chockers. It's busy.
Yeah.
But, yeah, I've seen busier.
You've seen busier?
It's absolutely chockers.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
There you go. That's coming from a snow goer. For me, that was busy in the cafe anyway. As we begin our descent from Lake Mountain, leaving behind the snow-covered peaks and the serene silence of the alpine landscape, there's a sense of reflection that settles in. The windy roads ahead are like the journey of life itself, sometimes clear and open, sometimes steep and challenging, but always leading us forward. Much like the teaching of Buddha, this journey reminds us to be mindful of each moment. Buddha once said, "Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without." As we leave the mountain, it's not just the physical place we're departing from, but the state of peace and stillness that carries us within our hearts. In the teaching of Jesus, we are reminded, "Come to me all, you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." This mountain has given us rest, a moment to pause and breathe, to connect with the simplicity of being. As we descend, we carry this rest with us, a reminder that no matter where we go, peace is something we cultivate within. As we head towards Stevenson's Falls, there's a certain anticipation. The falls represent the flow of life, ever-changing, powerful and constant. The teaching of spiritual guides like Eckhart Tolle emphasize that living in the present moment, appreciating the now, this journey is, with its twists and turns, mirrors that lessons no past, no future, just the beauty of the present. Hi guys, so we've arrived back in Maryville to drop off the chains, and unfortunately one of them actually fell off. So this is going to be a hefty bill for us, at least $300 we think, that we owe the ski shop for the chain falling off.
Our way to Stevenson's Falls.
Yay! So as you can see, we're 1.3 kilometres away. This is a stop worth going to. Yeah, it's a beautiful waterfall, as you will see shortly. And as with everything, yeah, go on.
We've driven down the mountain, we've returned our tyre chains, and it's a short 4-kilometre drive to Stevenson's Falls from the city centre of Marysville.
And good news for us, it wasn't $300 for the chains, it was only $100. Thank God. In every journey, there's a moment of revelation, a point where the path behind meets the path ahead, and everything comes into focus. Today, that moment is Stevenson's Falls. We've journeyed from the heights of Lake Mountain, and now we stand on the edge of something equally breathtaking, where the water meets rock and the physical meets the spiritual. Whether you follow the teachings of Buddha, Jesus, or the modern spiritual teachers, the message is clear. Life is a journey of constant discovery, and peace is something we carry within us as we leave the mountain and we approach the falls. Let's hold on to the insights we've gathered and embrace the beauty and wisdom that nature has to offer. May this journey remind us all that no matter where we are, the journey itself is what brings us closer to our true selves. Let's take the moments with us as we continue exploring the wonders that lies ahead. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. We hope the beauty and wisdom of these places have touched your heart, just as they have touched ours. Remember, whether in the mountains, by the water, or in everyday moments alive, peace is always within reach. As we move forward, there's so much more to explore, learn and share. We can't wait to bring you along to the next adventure. Until then, stay present, stay curious, and stay connected to the world around you. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Your support means everything to us. See you next time on Travel Wellness, where every journey is a step forward towards inner peace.
We're leaving soon, underneath the silver moon. Every road and every trail, adventures call will never fail. Mountains high